Here's how to make these delicious baked beans, a super simple, sweet southern summer side. I came up with that myself. You will need two 28-ounce cans of pork and beans, ketchup, yellow mustard, brown sugar. I'm pretty sure the famous song by the same name was talking about baked beans, dry mustard, black pepper, a small yellow onion, diced, and if you so desire, bacon. I so desire. Then in a good-sized mixing bowl, combine 1 cup ketchup, a 1/4 cup yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1½ cups brown sugar, and the onion. We're not adding any salt, as everything in this dish is pretty much pre-salted. Give everything a good mix, then taste and adjust as necessary. Set this mixture aside for 3 to 5 minutes. That will help that brown sugar kind of incorporate a little bit better. Then let's open our pork and beans. I like to drain my pork and beans, and that makes the final dish a little bit thicker. If you like yours a little bit thinner, you don't have to drain the pork and beans, but your beans will be a little bit thinner at the end. I add my drained beans to the mixture, incorporate everything really well. Now pour the mixture into a nice presentable baking dish. And if you want, we can add bacon to the top. I want to do so. So what I'm going to do here is take 2 slices of bacon, and I'm going to cut those up into fourths and arrange my bacon pieces around the top of the dish. Cut your bacon into whatever size you want or leave it whole. It's okay. And I learned when I was young, when we had these beans at a family picnic, get in line early so you guarantee yourself a slice of bacon. But a nice thing to do is cut at least enough pieces so that everybody gets one. Now into a preheated oven they go. And I just want to note here that I'm pretty high at the moment, at least in terms of altitude. I'm at about 4,500 feet. So I'm going to cook mine at 375 degrees. If you're closer to the coast, down a little bit lower, you can cook yours at 350 degrees. And as my mom always says, the beans are done when the bacon is done. And for me, that usually takes right around an hour. Now the bacon is not going to crisp up as if you fried it because it's sitting on something moist. It will, however, get done. And these beans are absolutely delicious, very sweet, southern style. They make a great side dish for summer grilling season. Hope you try them out. Now look somewhere on the screen for links to other videos you might enjoy. If you liked this one, please subscribe to the old channel. Post your questions, comments, and feedback below. And happy summer grilling. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.